Progressive January 2026 dictation.
Be ready. Progressive exercise 11. Start. Honorable members, be it the country's fastest train, the highest bridge, the longest sea link, the longest tunnel, construction of highways at double the speed of gauge, conversion of railway tracks, modern facelift of railway stations or metro projects in cities, air connectivity among small towns or construction of new waterways. My government is rapidly developing modern infrastructure in all these areas, keeping environment conservation in mind. My government is moving forward on the electric mobility front in order to make the latest technology based systems available in our cities so that they can become growth engines of the economy. Modern facilities are being developed in 100 cities under the Smart City mission. The nation is moving at a fast pace in the civil aviation sector also. This sector has been a double-digit growth during the last 4 years. More than 12 crore and 30 lakh people traveled by air during 17 to 18, and this number is increasing constantly. This transformation offers a glimpse of an India on the move. Under the Udan scheme, 12 lakh seats have been made available to people at lower tariffs. This has provided the common person with an opportunity of air travel. In addition, in the last 4.5 years, government has established more than 300 Passport Seva Kendra in the country. Prior to 2014, there were 77 Passport Seva Kendras which have now increased to more than 400. People are no longer required to repeatedly visit big cities for getting their passports. In the all-round development of the country, a pivotal role is played by our laborer brothers and sisters, small and medium entrepreneurs, engineers, auditors, doctors, teachers, scientists, and every professional. All these responsible citizens have lived up to this saying of Sant Ravidas that work is the best form of worship. That is those who deem work as God and worship it day and night are blessed with all the worldly joys and commitment. Our hard-working professionals, whether linked directly or indirectly with the government, are watchful of the process of nation building. When their hopes and aspirations are combined with the willpower of government employees, the result is unprecedented as witnessed by the nation today. My government is also supporting the employees in their hour and need as such. Stop.